Okay, water's on. When these two levers are pointed in, these are open. When they're pointed out, these are closed. So, point it in. It's a decent flow for just hand washing outside. There's a little bit of dripping over here. I'll double check and see if maybe I didn't connect them properly. But it's also really cheap hardware, just plastic. So I'll probably get new hoses to replace them. I mean, all of these this is really cheap. This is like kids' toy plastic, but this sink is for kids, so we'll see how it holds up. This water fountain is insane. I barely turned it on and it just shoots across the way. So if you want to use it just a little bit. But it's cute, it'll serve its purpose, and it works well enough for a couple of kids to wash their hands while we're outside.
Well, these quick connects don't really seal properly. I've got a lot of water coming out. Nice little puddle down here. I'll be switching these out. Otherwise, the sink is pretty nice. It's not very deep, so washing hands is doesn't give you a lot of room. But overall, it's pretty decent for outside.